plastic cosmetic surgery ya urembo. That one now is becoming more with the millennials who want to. If you look at, now that he's dead, I can talk about Michael Jackson. He was more beautiful before he did all that plastic surgery. So with my big nose, I think I'm very, very, hata kama ni sura mbaya, I love my body. So I am going to explain to you the way I look. I know niko na sura mbaya, that's one. But having said so, my strength, first of all, comes from God and my firmness. There are people out there who have decided to demonize my firmness for arrogance. How can a stray boy be arrogant? We were trained to be servant leaders, trained to be leaders by example. That's why you see me everywhere. So I'm telling you this so that you don't listen to any other description of Magoha, son of Magoha, that you may hear from somewhere else. But I shall be firm with myself, with you, and with anybody else. And that firmness, together with truthfulness and neighborliness, then we shall move forward. Why do I say so? I am a professor, and people say I am proud. Yes. If I'm not proud of myself, who is going to be proud for me? So you should also be proud of yourselves as teachers. You get the point? And teachers are the best, the most important professionals.